animation is add a sound effect. So on the Mixkit.co website where we found the Adobe After Effects templates, there's also sound effects if you go to the top here. So I just clicked, I listened to them and previewed them, and I just downloaded one of them. And a lot of them are just quick, like a few seconds, and that works perfect for a little logo animation. So I click download, and then in my Adobe After Effects file, I'm gonna go back here to my normal, just click somewhere off of that. I am going to either drag over here or file and import my sound effect. So I'm just going to go file, import, and I'm going to grab the sound effect. It's a little, I think, MP4 that should be in your downloads folder after you click the download button. My computer's being a little laggy just because After Effects is such a big program, so everything's taking a little bit longer. Sometimes I literally just drag it in from my desktop. Okay, let's see if I can do it that way. Here is my sound effect. Oh, I guess it's just taking a minute. It's right here. So I can minimize that. And then I can just drag it into my timeline. Like that. Hopefully that will, you'll see it appear there in a second. Come on. There it goes. So right now, when I press the space bar to make, you can see that. And then you can go in here and like modify all of this as well. Go into the audio down here and like play with some of that. I just usually leave it the way it is. But definitely you can go in and move it down the timeline and things like that as well. Super easy though. You just drag it into your timeline where you want it to appear.